What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be going to see some fireworks. So I recently just got off of work. It is currently 9:26 at night. We're on our way out to Milan to go see the fireworks that are out there because there was a festival and fireworks tonight. So I figured, why not? A good way to spend my Friday night. So I didn't stay for overtime at work tonight. I just went home at normal time. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to watch fireworks, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let's go.
It's loud for my house. We probably get just as good a view sitting in my parking lot of my car.
Literally. Yeah.
I can see him from the house.
This is as bright as it goes.
I worked where y'all parked, so.
Welcome to my vlog, everyone.
Did you guys park at the restaurant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I worked there, so I could definitely sit there and watch them.
Yo, we out here. Fireworks, Milan, 22. What up? It's me and the crew. That's how we do.
Period, Keem.
In a SpongeBob shirt.
Yeah, fucking.
He's got matching socks. Don't,
Wait.
Wait.
We gotta get the peep the socks, peep the shirt.
My nigga Squidward in this bitch. Because we're a bird from New York.
Your mother scared him into being moderate about getting a tattoo. So, yeah, like I know because
Good morning, everyone. It is the next day from the fireworks. I apologize, I did not finish recording last night. I finished the fireworks when they ended, and then we pretty much just walked to the car and went home. So yeah, there wasn't much more to add to the vlog other than that. So it was pretty much just me wanting to take you guys along the ride to go watch some fireworks for the evening. So I just had to figure out an outro, so I figured I'd come back this morning and finish the video out for you guys. So sorry I'm in different clothes and everything. I'm in my jammies. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, my loves.